Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the April release from OHM Beads. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Are you feeling like some dessert? I hope so, because the first collection I'm going to share with you is the OHM Dessert Collection from OHM Beads April Release. So they have some beautiful new glass beads, including these ones that are more of a square shape, and they really do look like candy. The first one I'm sharing with you is called Sweet Treat. Oh my goodness, it's like kind of this purpley candy with these beautiful little white stripe detailing going through it. It's really pretty and I love this shape. The next one I'm sharing is Sugar Dipped, which is this beautiful bright yellow, and this totally looks like a candy that I would enjoy, and hopefully lemon flavored. It looks so good, and I just love that bright cheerful yellow. The next glass bead is called Candy Crush, and it's this beautiful vibrant color with, again, the little white detailing going through it, and I just love how this looks. It looks so delicious. It really does look like candy. Also in the OHM Dessert Collection, we also have the more traditional OHM glass beads to share with you, and they're very vibrant and very colorful. The first one is one of my favorites in this collection. It's called Rose Jelly, and of course I love it because it is pink and white, and I love pink and white, so two of my favorite color combinations together. We also have Pink Berry, which is also another vibrant color. It's so pretty. It's really beautiful. It really does look like a berry, and it looks very delicious too. The next glass bead that we have is called Blue Raspberry, and it looks like a blue frosty. I love this color. It just makes me feel so happy when I look at it. It's just such a lovely pop of blue. We also have Pandan Jelly, which is a lovely vibrant green color with little specks of white going through it. It really catches the light and almost has like a look of little bits of yellow in it as well, which I think is really pretty. And lastly, we have Coconut Jelly, which is a beautiful round glass bead, very similar to Rose Jelly. I actually think these would pair beautifully together. And I love this one as well. It's probably my second favorite in this collection. And that is it for the OHM Dessert Collection. Now let's head into some more glass beads, which are part of the OHM Slim Collection. The first bead I'm going to share with you in this collection is called Frost. It is also white and clear, much like Coconut Jelly. I feel like these two would pair beautifully together. I really love the little speck details, and the slim beads are just so beautiful. Here's like a little comparison so you can kind of see the size difference. Next we have Haze, and Haze is one of my top favorite in the Slim Collection. I love the bits of gold. It almost reminds me of Orchid Rain, one of the glass beads from OHM, just with that little beautiful gold foil inside it. But I just love the colors. It kind of looks like a sunset too, which I think is pretty. Next we have Key, which is this more dark kind of black slim glass bead, very beautiful. We also have Whole, which is a lovely pop of blue and has some really neat dimension and detailing in it as well. The last bead in this collection is called Turn, and it's my second favorite. It has this beautiful little kind of like these specks of brownish black detailing with blue. It's honestly so gorgeous. It's very beautiful. Moving along to our next collection, we have the OHM Vacation and Drinks Collection. So I hope you're thirsty because we have quite a few delicious drinks to share with you. The first one is called Blue Lagoon. It's this beautiful, vibrant pop of blue, much like the drink. And what I love about all of the beads in this collection is they look almost liquidy, which is really cool. We also have Mojito, which is a lovely pop of vibrant green, really catches the light. Then there's Cosmo, which is my personal favorite. I love the little magenta-y colored pink. So fun, such a lovely pop of color. And lastly, we have Mai Tai, which is a lovely, vibrant orangey red, kind of blood orange color. And that is it for the OHM Drinks Collection. Moving along, we're going to head into some of the regional exclusive releases from OHM Beads. The first one I'm going to share with you is called OHM Fan. It is exclusive to OHM in Thailand. It is a silver bead and it is packed with so many cool details. It really looks like a fan. They really captured the details of a fan, you know, from everything from the little button on the back to the cute little detail at the front. It's so much cool stuff, and that's one thing I love about OHM Beads, especially with their silver beads. There's so much detail everywhere. Next on here we have Ice Cube, and this is a glass bead that literally looks like an ice cube. It is so cool. It even comes in some really cool packaging with a kind of little plastic detailing with a little blue. It's almost like an ice cube too, an ice cube within an ice cube. It's really funny. It's really cool. And I love the shape of this. It's more of a rectangular shape that really honestly looks like an ice cube. So if you're having those OHM drinks, why not add some little ice cube into some of those drinks too? You know what I mean? Next, we have Fat Killer Bead, which is an OHM Lab project. The assistant on this project was Brooke In. This big fat killer bee is a reminder to be careful for what you wish for. It is a hybrid of the European honeybee and the East African honeybee. He is wearing an intimidating Corinthian helmet. He has a shield and a little sword, and he is ready to face whatever is in his way or wants to challenge him. Next, we have two standalone beads, which are called Ride Along and the Motorbike in a slim OHM glass. These two are so cool. They have a ton of details, and they are part of OHM's permanent collection. These two beads are also part of an exclusive set, so a limited edition set that comes with an additional bead, which is called Stay Safe. This Stay Safe bead is part of a set of 99, so there's only 99 made of the Stay Safe bead. Now, just to go back to the other two beads in this collection, I just want to show you a couple more details. I love the tire shape of the OHM Slim glass. I think it is so cool. Next, we're gonna move along to the Earth collection. I love this collection so much. It consists of silver beads, limited edition beads, and some glass beads. Let's start off with the OHM silver beads. So first off, we have Luna 2.0. Oh my goodness, this bead is so detailed from every single angle. It is amazing, and I'm very excited to style with it. We also have a touch of maple, which is one of my most favorite beads in this entire release besides the OHM Alice in Wonderland collection. This is just so insanely detailed, and it's Canadian. I just love this so much. I cannot wait to design with it. We also have Mama Aqua, and this is another bead that I absolutely love. It is packed again with so much detail. You have little fish, little details in her hair and her little fins, the tail, like every little angle of her is just so beautiful. You also have kind of like these little swirls that look like the OHM logo on it, which I think is so cool as well. Like, so much thought was put into this bead. Now let's head over to the glass beads in the Earth collection, and let's start off with the limited edition beads in this collection. There are 3 limited edition glass beads, and there's 333 made of each style of bead. I'm going to start off with Kagusa, at least I believe that's how you pronounce it, and please let me know if you think I'm right. And this one is really cool. What I love about it the most is that the core inside part is very clear and open through it, but then near the edging and then around the bead, it's packed with this beautiful printed detail that's going through it, and I just love how this looks. This is probably one of my favorite glass beads just because of that cool detail. We also have the Starry. Again, I'm not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's my closest attempt. This is really cool. It almost makes me think of like a snake with the cool like kind of details and textures to it. Like, it's very, very cool. I really love the line details throughout it. And then the last one we have is Wimbai, which is really beautiful as well. Again, it has like this mixtures of clear with like this beautiful color going through it, and I just love how it looks. It's very airy and flowy. Now I'm going to share with you the permanent glass beads in the Earth collection. They are very vibrant, they're very colorful, and they're packed with beautiful details. The first bead I'm going to share with you is called Blueberry, and it's a beautiful, vibrant pop of blue. We also have the bead called Inch On, which totally makes me think of the caterpillar. It's so cool. I love the colors, and like the detail on it is so fun. We also have a very refreshing colored bead. Any guesses on what it's called? It is called a Lime, and I love this. I love the color. It's so fun. We also have Dustberry, another name that I absolutely love, and mixtures bits of green with kind of a pale green. I really love the dimension on this. Then we also have Go Far, which I am obsessed with. I love the colors in this. It's like orangey, reds, golds. It's just so beautiful, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I think I need to get a second one of this because it is just so amazing. And lastly, we have the OHM Alice in Wonderland collection, which I made a separate video about. If you'd like to see an in-depth look of this collection, click the link on the screen or down below in my description bar. Anyway, that is it for the launch of the April release from OHM Beads. I'd love to know what you think of these collections. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know down below in the description bar. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.